In this example, we are asked to compare these two functions, f of x, which is a square root function, and g of x, which is an absolute value function, at the value of 5, because it says f of 5 and g of 5. So I'm going to start by actually evaluating both of these functions. So I'm going to start with f of x, which is that square root function, 2 square root of x plus 4 plus 3. And I want to evaluate it at the value of 5. So f of 5 is going to equal 2 times the square root of 5 plus 4 plus 3. So inside there, we know that we are going to have 9. Then I need to take the square root of 9, which is 3, so 2 times 3. Oops, don't know why that didn't work. Plus 3. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3, which will equal 9. So I know that f of 5, and put it up here at the top, equals 9. Okay? Then we need to figure out what g of x is at that value. So g of x is the absolute value of 2x minus 7 plus 2. I need to figure out what is g of 5. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to plug in 5 for x here. We start inside the grouping symbol, so that's 10 minus 7, absolute value, plus 2. So I have the absolute value of 3 plus 2. So that is 3 plus 2, which equals 5. So g of 5 equals 5. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video if you need to copy down any of that work, because I'm going to need to clear it so that I can finish the problem. So here we go. I'm going to clear all of this off. So now I know that g of 5 is 5 and f of 5 is 9. The problem does ask us to compare. Oops, wrong button. So when it says compare, that means I need to know if it's less than, greater than, or equal to. Well, f of 5 is 9 and g of 5 is 5. Which one is bigger? 9 is bigger, right? Another word for bigger is greater, which means we're going to use the greater than symbol. So I'm going to say that f of 5 is greater than g of 5. That's the statement you need to have as your answer.